Okay, so today we got a bad microwave. So we're gonna remove that bad boy and put in a new one I purchased. Okay, so what we got is our microwave is vented at the top. You can see that we cleared all this out. We've unplugged it already. And if you can't see, because these things do get front heavy, look what I got going on. How high tech is that? So, 2 screws in the top, one here, one here. It looks like it could have had a third over here. But screws out of the top will take the weight off of this. And then the back is going to be on a plate that's mounted to the stud in the wall, and then this actually slides down into it. So the back is supported, but the front's going to want to drop a little bit. Yes, I'm using a chair as my ladder. And let's hope this thing just doesn't plop out of here in my lap and crush my stove. Nope. Okay, so you can see where the holes were. That one looks like they had a little problem lining up when they installed it, so they made a huge hole. And then there's that one. I don't know why there's a third one there, but I'm assuming there's multiple holes across the front of this thing. All right, now let's see if we can get this out. Okay, so you can see where this one vented out of the top and vented right up into there, which goes to an exterior, I'm assuming, or just out of the top of. So I'm gonna pull the new one out of the box. We are replacing a Whirlpool with a Samsung. The only reason why I'm using the Samsung is because it had every feature that this one does, plus a ceramic interior, and it was $100 cheaper than a brand new Whirlpool. Sorry, Whirlpool. Okay, pro tip, even though I'm not a pro, we're going to, before we pull the mounting bracket down, check the new microwave to see, hopefully it has the 2 hooks in the bottom of it right there, so we don't have to change the mounting hardware. If we do, they send it with the microwave, but why do more work than is necessary? That thing is completely solid. The other thing is, make sure when you take your old microwave down that you pull the glass tray out of it first if it has one that rotates in there that's loose. I caught mine so it didn't smash everywhere, but you're gonna tilt that microwave forward, the door's gonna come open and that plate's gonna come rolling out. Never really knew this either, but always pay attention to the top of the box of your new microwave and pay attention to the unboxing instructions. It's really, it's probably very simple, but you don't want to unbox it in a way that ends up breaking the door or a hinge on your door and then your microwave doesn't work. Okay, so there's the top with all of our pieces, our filters, our carousel, all that stuff. We're going to pull all this out and then we'll get the microwave out. Luckily, this is the back and ours is already set up for the top exhaust filter. So we're good to go there. We don't need to switch the fans around. Okay, so I think we got a little lucky. This is the mounting hardware that I pulled off the back of the microwave, and it's got 4 of those notches in it. This one only has 2, but this thing is rock solid up here, so I think we're just gonna try and go ahead and mount it with the other mounting hardware. Now, what I am gonna have to do is drill some new holes in here because those don't match up to this one and this one, you can see. By the way, let's point this out. The holes on the Whirlpool one that I took out were not symmetrically positioned. That one is a good 7 inches in, and that one's only like 2 inches in. Not sure Whirlpool why you did that. It must have something to do with the control panel, but Samsung seemed to figure out making them exactly the same place on each side. Okay, so luckily the mounting hardware in the back worked. It went right in. I actually got this one up here myself. I'm not sure how, but thank you to Mr. 4x4 and 1x8. My inside jack stands. Okay, so we got that bottom portion on. We got the 2 screws in the top. One there, or there, and there. And just remember, if you got to drill an extra hole, just get a bigger washer. This thing is pretty freaking sturdy. I could hang on it if I wanted to. I won't, but there you go. Now what we're gonna do is put the filters in and we're good to go. Just a reminder, your charcoal filter goes in here. Make sure you got the door open. This thing just slides left, comes out with 2 screws, put the charcoal filter in. I did that before I put it up. Oops, I'm joking. Got the light. Okay, we're gonna try and do some water here. Okay, so there we go, finished project. Over the range microwave installation 101. Pretty simple. I did it by myself. Took about, having to re-drill holes, took about 35-40 minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe.